Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel we make money online. We do crypto and stocks, and in today's video I am going to review CoinEx. CoinEx is a crypto exchange that was founded back in 2017 and its headquarters are located in Hong Kong. There are over 1,300 cryptocurrencies. There's so much different variety for different people, and they've also developed their own ecosystem which is called CoinEx Smart Chain. Now before we dive deeper, we obviously need to create an account, and if you do want to create your own account, you will find the link on the video description, and if you're watching from TikTok, you will find it on my link tree. After getting the link and clicking it, you do need to create your account, and after verifying your account, you'll be able to access all the goodies that are found in CoinEx. So let me go to my laptop and show you how to do that. Alright, let's register and get our accounts verified. So after clicking my referral link, you will see the screen, and under the screen you'll see register an account, and then you will enter your email address and also enter this code because it is my referral link, and then enter your email address, enter your password, and then after click sign up. After clicking sign up, you do need to verify your email, so you can just click send code. So this is the email that you've entered. So here guys, don't get confused. When you look at the top, you will see that number 1 is this round thing, number 2 is the, and then number 3 is the bicycle. So you just select in order, and that's all you do. You go to your email and you will get the code. With that code, you enter it there, and then you'll be able to verify your email. Let's go back and then enter the code. And then after you confirm. So after confirming, the very first screen that you see is to join the program, the creator program. If you want to create content, you can click join now. So when you click join now, you'll be able to enter your details, like your email, like your accounts, like your TikTok accounts, whatever accounts you have, to show that you do have a following. Guys, I wouldn't advise you to join if you don't have much following. Let's get verified. So you go to your profile and then click where it says unverified. So mine is not verified, so we have to get verified. So when you get to this page, you just need to enter your basic information, but first accept terms and conditions. So after accepting terms and conditions, you do need to select your country, and mine is South Africa. So after you adding your ID card, so add your name, select your gender, your date of birth, and your ID number. So obviously I'm not going to show you guys my age. The next thing, you take a picture of your ID, the back and the front, and after make sure that it is JPG or PNG. Do not use the one for iPhones which is HEIC. It doesn't accept that. And then you upload your back and your front, and then you click next. So the next step is taking a selfie. So do make sure that you allow your phone to access this, and then you click take a selfie, and then you position your face in this round thing, guys. So it will direct you, keep the face centered and clearly visible before taking a photo, and then you take a photo. After, you will go for auditing, and after auditing they will approve your account. It actually took a few seconds, I think a minute or so. My account was verified. So you will get an email confirming your account being approved. So now that we are approved, let's continue, guys. Now that we are verified, the next thing that we're going to do is to buy cryptocurrencies, because guys, how can you trade without having any crypto coins? And CoinEx has simplified it for us because there is a newcomer zone. When you click this newcomer zone, it will direct you step by step on how to buy. There are different ways of buying cryptocurrencies on CoinEx, and the first one being your card. You can use P2P, and they are mentioned, are verified by CoinEx, so there is no way for you to lose your money. But guys, I will be recording a full video showing you how to buy using P2P, because it can be tricky sometimes, and there are different ways, like there are third-party solutions that are available for us to buy. So you can also use those third parties to buy your cryptocurrencies. Now there's a problem in Africa, or maybe it's just in South Africa, where our banks do not allow us to buy cryptocurrencies, and I just love the fact that CoinEx does offer the third-party solutions for us to be able to buy our cryptocurrencies. getting money to CoinEx, it is easy. You just click newcomer zone, or you can click buy crypto. So when you get to this part, you will see that there's deposit. So with sign up, you already sign up. You don't need to do anything. Click deposit and then select the first option. So this is when you want to get your money from another crypto exchange to this one, like your Luno, like your Binance, and then you do select the wallet that you want or the crypto that you want, and you get the money. The second option is P2P. So under P2P, there are merchants which are verified by CoinEx. So I didn't get anyone for ZAP, but when you click Nigeria as a currency, you will see that these are the merchants. So my thing is, do make sure that you check how this person is operating. 100% is okay, 95% is okay, but 80 something percent, guys, then don't use those merchants. So this just shows how many times this person is processed and their efficiency. So the next part is buy crypto via fiat, which is my favorite because we are not allowed to buy using our bank card. So you can just select Simplex, MoonPay, and you can select Guardian as well and Alchemy Pay. So this simplifies for us to buy our crypto. The next part of this video, I am going to talk about data insights and getting facts on CoinEx. This is good because in order for us to make an informed decision, we do need to know what's going on, what is new, what is doing well, what is doing bad. You just need to know something about the market because it changes often. And I think CoinEx has delivered when it comes to giving us data in order for us to do our analysis and also for us to get our insights so we can make informed decisions. So let me show you what they offer. When you click markets, you will see that there's market data. Just click it and then you will see which are the top gainers, which are the top losers, and then the value leaders as well. Then you would know what is currently trending because remember, we buy low and sell high. And then the next one is feed and insight. And then when you come to insight, you would see more news in the market. And then when you go to futures as well, you will see market information. And then this is where you will get your contract information, and then your insurance data, and also your funding rates, and there's also index prices. So you can get all this information from there. And then under more, you would also get blogs, academy, and also frequently asked questions. So you can get more information under academy. And then there's blogs as well where you can read more information and understand the market. So we've got the information that we want from the insight and the data that is offered by CoinEx. The next step is trading, guys. This is where the fun begins. Trading in CoinEx, it is simplified. It is just a drag and drop. Sometimes you just convert. You can use spot trading. There's also futures. There's just so much. Let's just go to my laptop so I can show you everything that you need to know about trading. You just click where it's written exchange, and then you can do swapping. So swapping is basically converting a cryptocurrency from one to another. Let's say you have Ethereum and you want to convert to another crypto exchange. You just need to search for Ethereum, and then you can connect to a native token for CoinEx. And then the next one is spot trading. Spot trading, you want to trade now. You want to use currency pairs. Let's say, for example, you have Dogecoin and you want to trade it against USDT. You can just select it, and from there, a graph will show, and then you can do your analysis. You can do the conversion, and then when you do the conversion as well, you would see that there's a limit and also there is market price. So with limits, you just say, okay, maybe at a certain time, I want to buy or sell. And then with market, you basically saying, I want to buy with the price for now. You do need to add money into your spot account, and then you'll be able to trade. And then there are also pre-token trading. So you can watch the video to read more about this. And then there's projects that are listed. Let's say, for example, you want to pre-mint, pre-dude, or pre-kernel. You can just click it and read more about it and see what exactly you are going to get. So under this kernel project, you go to their website and then you'll be able to pre-mint this. And then the next one is strategic planning. So this side is where you actually decide on what your strategy is. Let's say, for example, you want to buy a crypto coin at a specific price. You can just create your strategy there. CoinEx also offer finance, and this is good because you can earn interest from this finance part of CoinEx. There are different ways to earn from this. You can earn interest, you can stake, and there's also AMM, and there's also loans that you can borrow, and it is all simplified, guys. Let me go to my laptop again so I can show you guys. So when you click finance, you will see that there's different options. Under financial, you will see you enjoy daily compound interest flexible. So any idle money that you have or any idle cryptocurrencies, you can just earn here. Let it work, guys. So you can select any coin that you want. And when you click earn more, you can transfer your money from spot wallet into your financial account. And then you can start earning. And then the second option is staking. So this is where you can earn rewards on chain, and then there are different cryptocurrencies which you can select. So when you stake, you will earn interest based on whatever API is specified. And then the next one which you can also participate in is AMM. Just join and then you can also borrow money, guys. You do need to have a collateral, so you will be able to borrow money just like in a bank, but you do need to have a collateral. The second last part of this video is promotion. When it comes to promotion, this is where you participate in competitions, where you can join the ranks and win mega rewards. So this is easy, guys. You just need to follow the rules. Sometimes they will say maybe like if you trade for more than $100, you will be added into a rank. You can join that competition. So this is something that you can do as well. There's also deposit rewards, guys. So this is not always open, but then sometimes when it is open, invite more and more people so that they can benefit from the rewards that they will get from depositing. There's also mining in CoinEx where you can earn rewards. So CoinEx does have its own native token, which is called CET, and this stands for CoinEx token. So when you mine, you sometimes get CETs, and this will be added into your wallet. There's also airdrop station where you can earn rewards, and these airdrops are simple, guys. All you have to do is just to learn. Imagine being paid for just learning. Now, being an ambassador for any company, you have to jump hoops, you have to walk on ice, you have to walk on glass, you have to walk on fire. But then when it comes to CoinEx, you can just join and be an ambassador of CoinEx. So there's also a referral system where you can earn up to 40%, and this is a good way of earning because you have a way of controlling how much you want to earn. You can just set a goal and say, this month I am going to invite 100 people, and from there you can just make serious money, and that money may be more than your salary if you are working. Let's say you have a question and you want to understand more. There is a help center which can answer your questions, and also frequently asked questions where you can get any answer that you want. And obviously they have a support system. If you don't get any of the answers from their help system, from their blogs, you can also send a question through support and they will answer your questions. To end this video, there are a few settings that I want you guys to do. So for example, I am in South Africa. Why would I want to see my money in USD? So to do that, you go to your settings, and after going to your settings, you would see that there is a preference. You can click preferences, and then you will see currencies, and as you can see, it is in USD. So I want to see my money in South African rand. So you can obviously scroll down until you find your South African rand or whatever currency you are using in your country. You can get that as well, so you can see the money in a language that you understand. A bonus for those who are watching up until now, guys, do you know you can create sub accounts for your family? So for example, I have 3 kids and I want them to have their different accounts so that one day I can leave a legacy for them. I can leave money for them. You can create a sub account and name it with your child's name, and then monthly, daily, or whenever you have money, you can just put money or buy them coins. It's the simplest way to leave something for the loved ones. Or maybe you are married, you want to create one for your husband or for your wife. You can just create a sub account in CoinEx. I hope you guys are happy with CoinEx, and let's just go and find the link on the video description. Create our accounts, get verified, because there is more that I am going to post on CoinEx, guys. Let's make money. I am excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with many people. There are so many people out there who are needing help from a reliable source, which is me. And I love you guys. Take care.